G'day guys, we're leaving tomorrow. I thought I'd show you what I've got on my carry-on for my toddler, Sophie. She's 17 months old. Let's get into it. So first off, I've got some books. I've got two types, Spot's First Colours, Nice and Small, and Where's Mr. Dog. The last page is of a mirror where Sophie looks at, which she really likes. So we got those two books, which she enjoyed on the way up. Then we've got this fox that I got her to pull at. I'll re-thread it again, and we unthreaded it on the trip on the way up. Then the Play-Doh, we opened that up and got the Play-Doh out, so that was a good one. We didn't get this one out on the way up, so it's got water in that pen and you just colour it and then the picture comes through. We got this pen and pad and Sophie did a bit of scribbling on the way up. That was really good. Her comforter was a must, that's Taggy. We ended up actually bringing 3 of those. Now this is something that I bought up here, it's a lollipop. So I just thought with the takeoff, it might really help with her ears. On the way up, I just breastfed her. Hello, So. You got your vest on. So I made this flight home bag and we put it in the luggage just to make sure we had enough snacks and didn't eat through it. So we've got 2 Rust sticks, some Cheerios, which Sophie played with a lot on the way up, as well as eating, and then some muesli bars for the 3 of us. And in here, we've got sultanas, which Sophie moved from places to places on the way up. So that was a really good one. And I'll actually take a plastic container as well so that she can do some sorting. She really enjoys that. A water bottle and a new top. And this is a nice long sleeve one because we're going from 29 degrees to 15 degrees. And of course her blanket, which we used on the flight when she was having a sleep, and a nappy bag with wipes, nappy, plastic bags, hand sanitizer, and a mat to go down on the change table. So that's what I've got for my 17-month-old daughter as carry-on luggage. Things to entertain her and things to feed her. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.